Hey guys, we have this 2012 Honda Accord, and we did an oil change last time, and we noticed that the threads for the oil plugs are like stripped. As you can see, that's dripping right there. So we have a repair. This is an oil drain plug thread repair, and this is a one size up for that, and we're gonna tap it, make it bigger, and let's get this fixed. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we do, we need to drain this oil, get it out. We have a clean bucket where we can reuse it. So what do we need to do is, this is pretty much loose already. I've got it loosened. Let's see. This is size 17. So I'm gonna show you what it looked like inside. So we'll see if this one you can see, start dripping. There you go. It's gonna be hot. So right there, as you can see, that's still pretty clean. And I'll drop my washer. There you go. So I'll drop your washer. So you can see that is pretty clean still. So let's let it drain, and I'll show you what the thread inside looks like. All right, so whilst we got all the oil out, let me show you what it looked like. As you can see, that's the thread. We don't have much thread left, and as you can see, they only have few thread left at the end, and that's what it looked like. And let me show you what the size of the threads. This is what we have, the replacement that we're gonna have. So this is size, the original one that came with the car is size 1.5. Let me show you right here. Size 14 by 1.5. Sure, what it look like. This is the size 14 by 1.5, and then this is the original one. Size M14 1.5. The next higher up is 16 by 1.5, but this one that we bought is 15, just slight bigger. As you can see here, this is loose here, so we're gonna tap it and replace it with the newer one. So we got one ready here. I'll show you how to tap it. You should do it manually by hand, because none of you will be able to do it if you're not used to tapping. It'll be hard for you to get it focus. All right, so we have this tap here. This is size 15 M15 by 1.5. So make sure you just use straight up. Just gonna do it manually here. So it should go in pretty straight because you have kind of like a thread already. Let's see if you can see. Then kind of like make sure it's looking straight. Once that, crank it slowly, it will make the thread bigger. Make sure it's straight. If you're not straight, you can back it out and we do it again. So once you are straight, make sure that you slowly tapping it, so you're making the thread a little bit bigger. As you can see, there's something coming. You have to clean that later on. All the shaving is gonna be there, but we're gonna clean it. The way you clean it, we're gonna pour some oil on top and let that flush again, so we don't have any shaving inside the engine. So just slowly going in. Once you're all the way in, you're gonna come back out, and should be the same depth of the new bolt or the plug that we're gonna have. So that's it. That's pretty good. There you go. I think I'm all the way in. Then you go back out. So I'm using size 10 millimeter for this. And that's it. Alright, so you can see there's like metal shaving coming out. That's for the rethreads that we did. So now we're backing out. And that should give us a new threads in there, and that should be okay. Just one pass should be okay. You can see that. Now you have the new threads in there. Let me get a light for you guys. There you go. We got a new thread, slight bigger, and now we're gonna put the new plugs that we have. First thing, we're gonna clean that while we're here. Oh, a little bit of magnet here. I'll get that shaving real quick. Just clean it. Or we're gonna flush it later on. Let me get the new plug. This is the new plugs that we have. New drain plug. And that should, look at that, smooth. Tight, not moving. That's perfect right there. There you go, that's going in perfectly. So we're gonna flush it, drop the car down, just put some flush just a little bit here, so we'll clean that up. Then let's install the new plug. Alright guys, so what I did, I put some oil on top, let that drip, get the shavings out. Then we're gonna put the new bolt. Oh shit. Alright, it's time to put our new oil plugs. That's, you can see, that's not moving. It's perfectly snug. Got a new washer. I can tight it. I think what happened with these, whoever used to do oil change, oh look at this, it got bigger now. Used to be 17. Alright, we're gonna get the right size. Right. Now it turned into 19 instead of 17. So this should be just snug tight when you tight it. What happens, some people put torque wrench. You need to torque this, but just snug tight, you'll be fine. Alright guys, so that's it. We got a new bolt. The size, if you want to do it to you, this is Honda. Original is M14 by 1.5 and this is M15 1.5, and it's tight, torque, and ready to go. Alright guys, hope you enjoy and like that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope that's helpful. Thank you guys.